Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Joomla site. As we know, this is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution in the market. Today we are going to configure Slack with Joomla Oauth Client. Log in into your Joomla site. Click on System and select Extensions. Search for OAuth Client and click on Search icon. Then select miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Click on Install button. You can see your installation of the package was successfully. Go to the Components and select miniOrange OAuth Client, then click on Configure OAuth. Search for Slack application in the search box and select Pre-configured application. You can also go through the setup guide to see step-by-step configuration. And you can also look at our video setup guide. Enter custom app name as per your choice. Log in into Slack console. Log in with your Slack credentials. Click on Create an app and select from scratch. Enter app name from here. Select the workspace to develop your app. Click on Create App. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left side menu bar and select Basic Information. Scroll down to see your app credential. Copy the client ID from here and paste it into the Joomla site. After clicking on Show button to copy client secret and paste it on Joomla site. Scroll down and click the Save Settings button. Navigate to the Features tab in the sidebar and select the OAuth and Permissions tab. Scroll down and click on Add New Redirect URL button. Copy the redirect callback URL from the Joomla site. Paste the redirect callback URL, then click on Add button. Click on Save URLs button. Navigate to the Scopes and select User Token Scopes. After clicking the Add an OAuth Scope button, select the scope permission from the drop-down list. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration button to test your connection. You have successfully tested Joomla Oauth Client plugins. Now, we are going to configure basic attribute mapping. Copy email attribute. Paste email attribute. Copy display name attribute. Paste display name attribute. Click on Save Attribute Mapping button. Open a new browser private window and enter login URLs. Let us see how it works. Copy the login URL. Enter the URL of the login page and search for it. Sign in with your Slack credential. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Joomla site using Slack credential. You have successfully logged into Joomla site using SSO. If you have any questions and concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring our plugin, please reach out to us at joomla@securify.com. miniOrange provide best SSO solution. Thanks for watching.